Top 10 Foods and Vegetables for Healthy Kidneys. Hi, and welcome to our channel. Are you looking for ways to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning at their best? Today, we're going to share the top 10 foods and vegetables that are amazing for your kidneys. Stick around till the end. You might find some surprising additions to your diet. Let's dive in. 1. Red bell peppers. First on our list is red bell peppers. Not only are they low in potassium, which is great for kidney health, but they're also packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. These nutrients support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect kidney cells. Plus, they add a sweet and vibrant crunch to your meals. Whether you eat them raw, grilled, or roasted, red bell peppers are a delicious way to keep your kidneys happy. 2. Cauliflower. Next, we have cauliflower. This vegetable is a nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin C, folate, and fiber, which help your body eliminate toxins naturally. Cauliflower is also a great substitute for high potassium foods like potatoes. You can mash it, roast it, or even turn it into cauliflower rice. It's versatile, delicious, and perfect for a kidney-friendly diet. 3. Garlic. Number 3 is garlic. Known for its bold flavor and numerous health benefits, garlic helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for kidney health. It also has antibacterial and antioxidant properties that support overall wellness. Even better, garlic is a natural way to flavor your food without adding extra salt, which is something kidney patients need to watch out for. 4. Cabbage. At number 4, we have cabbage. This leafy vegetable is low in potassium and high in powerful phytochemicals that protect cells from damage. Cabbage is also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and reduces the workload on your kidneys. Whether you enjoy it as coleslaw, in soups, or lightly steamed, cabbage is an excellent addition to your diet. 5. Cranberries. Halfway through our list, we have cranberries. These little berries are famous for promoting urinary tract health. They prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the lining of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Cranberries are also rich in antioxidants, which protect your kidneys from damage. You can enjoy them as juice, dried snacks, or fresh with no added sugar. 6. Apples. Coming in at number 6 is apples. An apple a day truly can keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and reduce cholesterol. Both of these are important for maintaining kidney function. They're also incredibly versatile. Enjoy them as a snack, in salads, or baked for a sweet treat. 7. Blueberries. Number 7 is blueberries. These tiny but mighty berries are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C. They help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Blueberries are also great for heart health, which is closely linked to kidney health. Sprinkle them on your breakfast, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a guilt-free snack. 8. Onions. Next on the list is onions. Onions are low in potassium and high in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation. They're also a great way to add flavor to your meals without extra salt. Whether caramelized, sautéed, or raw in salads, onions are a flavorful and kidney-friendly ingredient. 9. Radishes. At number 9, we have radishes. These crunchy vegetables are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for kidney health. Radishes are also a natural diuretic, meaning they help flush out toxins and keep your kidneys functioning properly. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or enjoy them as a snack with a sprinkle of salt-free seasoning. 10. Pineapple. And finally, number 10 is pineapple. This tropical fruit is a kidney-friendly alternative to other high-potassium fruits. It's rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Pineapple is sweet, refreshing, and perfect for smoothies, desserts, or as a standalone snack. And there you have it, the top 10 foods and vegetables for kidney health. Adding these to your diet can help protect your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and keep your body running smoothly. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.